Is your Mazda CX-5's infotainment screen frozen or glitching? You're not alone. This section explains the two primary reset methods: rebooting, also called hard reset, and factory reset. A reboot is done by holding the power button for 10 seconds. This clears temporary memory and is best for frozen screens. A factory reset is accessed through the system's settings menu. It wipes all personal data and settings, restoring the system to its default state. Use a factory reset only if a reboot doesn't solve the problem, and remember to back up any important data via USB beforehand. Understand that these systems run on limited resources, like 1 GB of RAM, and are prone to freezing due to multitasking. For a simple reboot on your Mazda CX-5, press and hold the power button until the system restarts. This clears temporary memory and resolves frozen screens. For a deeper reset, navigate to the Settings menu, usually under System or Settings. Select Factory Data Reset and confirm your choice. This wipes all settings and data, so back up important information first. Keep your Mazda software updated. For 2024 and newer models, updates come over the air automatically. For 2017-2023 models, visit a dealer to install the latest firmware, which fixes glitches and improves stability. If resets don't solve the problem, it may be a hardware issue, like a faulty SD card slot in older models or a malfunctioning screen. Consult a professional for diagnosis and repair.